Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have a sheet open. Start by identifying the column that should hold ZIP codes. Once located, insert two helper columns, one to clean text, one to extract numbers. Use trim and clean to remove stray spaces and non-printing characters so formulas run reliably. Make sure to format the ZIP column as text to preserve leading zeros. This avoids 0 to 115 turning into 2115. Now you're ready to apply extraction logic in the next step. Now apply a robust extraction formula to pull digits from messy cells. You can use text join with MID and row to collate all numeric characters, then wrap with left 5 to isolate the 5-digit ZIP. If you need ZIP plus 4, use right on the clean string or take left 9. Once done, copy formulas down the column and convert to values to lock results. Make sure to check a few rows manually, so the logic matches varied input formats. Finish by validating. Filter or highlight cells that are not exactly 5 digits or that include letters. These need manual review. If you see leading zero losses, reformat the column as text, then reapply the extracted values. This restores entries like 0 to 115 correctly. For large, inconsistent datasets, use Power Query to parse patterns and apply transformations consistently. Troubleshooting tip. If formulas return blanks, check for non-breaking spaces. Reapply clean and trim, then recalc to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.